Welcome to the future of self-improvement, where your mind is a computer that needs updating. Have you ever pressed the wrong button and sent an email to the wrong person? Well, in this video, we're going to fix that. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to reprogram your mind to delete negative thoughts forever. Hey there, everyone. I'm here to show you how to use your mind to get what you want in life and in business. And today, we're going meta. We're talking about your operating system, your mind. Now, when was the last time you updated your operating system? You have to keep doing it. It's very important because things change and evolve over time. That's why it's so important to keep upgrading. So let's imagine for a second that your mind is a giant supercomputer. There's lots of programs running on there. Some are good, some are bad, and some of them you don't even know are running. So here's the problem. Just like with a computer, if you've got a bunch of errors and bugs and viruses in your mind will slow down. You won't be able to think clearly. You won't be able to make good decisions. And this is why so many people struggle in their relationships, their happiness, their health, their finances, and their success. You see, your mind is kind of like one of those old school computers where you have to press the power button to turn it off and then another button to turn it back on again. This is why we talk about rebooting your mind. When you meditate, when you take time to just be still and quiet and turn off all the distractions, you're actually rebooting your mind. The good news is that your brain is actually quite literally reprogrammable. This is called neuroplasticity, and it means that you can actually change the way that you think by practicing new thought patterns. Neuroplasticity is basically the ability of the brain to change and adapt and rewire itself based on our experiences and our environment. So as we learn new things and repeat them over and over again, we're actually physically changing our brains. And this is how we learn new skills and break old habits. Now, one of the best ways to reprogram your mind is by deleting negative thoughts. But how do you do that? Well, just like when you're deleting files on your computer, you want to make sure that you have a backup first. So before you delete anything, make sure you have a positive program to replace it with. For example, if you're struggling with feelings of insecurity, don't just try to delete the thought, insecurity, insecurity, insecurity. Instead, you want to replace it with a positive affirmation like, I am confident, I am worthy, I am enough. Repeat this to yourself whenever you notice those negative thoughts creeping in. Another great way to reprogram your mind is through visualization. Visualize yourself overcoming challenges and achieving your goals. See yourself as this amazing, powerful, confident person. The more you visualize it, the more it becomes your reality. And finally, don't forget to take action. Taking action is really important because it reinforces your new beliefs and it makes them real. So, if you want to reprogram your mind to become more positive and successful, then take action towards your goals. Do the things that you need to do to make your dreams come true. Here's a quick summary of the 3 steps. Delete negative thoughts. Replace them with positive ones. Numbers 2. Visualize your success. And number 3, take action. Make it happen. But I know what you're thinking. All this sounds great, but how do I actually put it into practice? Well, the truth is that it takes some time and practice to reprogram your mind. It's not a quick fix, but it's definitely worth it. Just like with a computer, you need to keep updating your mind in order to keep it running smoothly. So how often should you update your mind? Well, it depends on you. Some people might only need to do it once a week, while others might need to do it more frequently. Experiment and find out what works best for you. It's also important to be patient with yourself. It takes time to reprogram your mind. Don't get discouraged if you have a setback. Just keep at it and eventually you'll get there. You see, your mind is a powerful thing. It can be your greatest asset or your biggest liability. It's up to you to decide. So do me a favor. Take control of your mind instead of letting it control you. Update your mind today and watch what happens. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are amazing.